What's up, Tower? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of car enthusiasts. Before we get started, don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Let's get started. Today in front of us is the Alcazar Signature Edition. Let's get straight to it. Let's jump right into it. Story underneath the hood, guys. You get the same CRDI 16 valve, 115 horsepower, 1.5 liter diesel engine with 250 Newton meters of torque. Okay, this is the story. The engine bay is neat and clean. Looks very nice. So that's really good. It's the same engine, so just wanted to give you all an idea as to what it is under the hood. There's nothing different. Okay, let's keep moving forward. So as you can see from the front, there is no chrome at all whatsoever. Chrome has been removed. Everything has been blacked out. It's a big Hyundai logo over here. You can see the grille element design over here. You get the front camera over here. This is also glossy black. Everything is black over here. You get your towing hook over here. You get your parking sensors 1 and 2, 3 and 4 parking sensors over here in the front, as you can see. Same light placement. Guys, one thing I need to let you all know, the battery of this car is down, so unfortunately cannot show you all the lights, but it is the same as the earlier Alcazar. You can see the headlight placement over here, your DRL over here, your lights over here as well, and same story on this side. Of course, there's no difference over here, but the elements in the front have been completely blacked out. No chrome whatsoever, which I like. Okay, there is I am not a big fan of chrome. If you want to see me, if you want to see my de-chrome video of my Slavia, you can see it on top right corner as to what I did to de-chrome it, so you can go and check that out as well. Get fog lamps over here as well. So all in all, it's pretty much the same except for the blacked out elements in the front over here. No chrome. You cannot see chrome at all whatsoever. Let's move to the side profile. First thing we get to see is your wheels over here. The size of the wheels are 215, 55 are 18-inch rims. This you can see you have disc brakes. Okay, all 4 disc brakes. Okay, calipers are finished in red. Your alloys is finished in black. To give it a more sportier appeal, your body coloring starts from here and runs till the rear wheel. You can see your door bead, huge door beads, just like the Creta Adventure Edition. You can see that video on the top right corner as well. Huge door beads over here. You get a step as well on this, so that it becomes easier for you to get inside. Adventure Edition badging over here, but this is actually the Signature Edition. Okay, I don't know why they've given the Adventure badging as well. So it's basically the same car as the Creta. ORVM finished in black, piano black over here, turn indicator, matte black finish over here, and you get your touch sensor for the driver side. Chrome finished door handles, not body colored, chrome over here. So these are some chrome elements that you still have. Okay, your pillars are all finished in glossy black. The roof rails, of course, are not functional. You get a massive panoramic sunroof. All right, you get a shark fin antenna over there. You get a small window for the rear passenger. The rear space looks cramped. Okay, we'll get inside and explore that also. You get Uconnect call center number over here for Hyundai, and yeah, that's about it, guys. You see disc brake on the rear as well. No painted caliper. Caliper color remains in silver. Okay, not in red. All right, let's come to the rear profile of the vehicle. You can see the signature badging over here, light placement over here. Alcazar written over here in chrome, Hyundai logo finished in chrome. You get your rear wiper, rear defogger, high mounted stop lamp, and your spoiler treatment over here. Okay, you get parking sensors over here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 parking sensors, which is pretty good. Camera placed right over here. All right, just wanted to check whether we have 360 camera in this or not. We do. We have camera placement below the ORVM also, so definitely this car is 360 camera enabled. Okay, and you get reflectors on the bottom over here. Let's open the boot. So guys, unfortunately the boot is not opening because the battery is down. I tried it in many different ways, but it's not working. But I'll mention the boot space and everything over here. And spare wheel, I'm sure it is not an alloy, must be a steel wheel, and it will be an inch smaller. Alright, so that's about it from the exterior of the Alcazar, guys. Have a look from the side profile over here. Okay, and let's get inside and explore what is different, what is new, what is the space like, what are the features they offer, what is the comfort, what the comfort is like when you're sitting inside. All right, let's get straight into it. Okay, sitting inside the car, You get your driver functions over here, your door functions, your locking the door, your ORVM functions, everything's over here. You can have a look. You get your electrically adjustable seats. Another disadvantage is the battery is down and you can't use them. So I've already mentioned that in my Tata Harrier facelift version. You can check that out as well. The battery of that car was also down. So unfortunately, what happens, guys, is that when you're in showrooms, right, there are a lot of people who come to see the car and check out the features and everything, and the car doesn't start in the showroom, so the battery does go down. So you cannot do anything about it. No one's at fault over here. But anyway, let's keep going. Uh, let's close the door. The door third is decent, and over here you can see your auto start stop, traction control, headlight leveler, and your front parking sensor button over here. This is your engine start stop option. Let's see if it switches on like this. It's not switching on. Well, I'm trying with the key as well, guys, but the battery is like, you have this some particular function over here. When you press the push start stop button, the electronics just start up, but it's not working right now. So anyway, this is the horn of the car. Okay, horn is still working, which is weird. You get your Hyundai logo over here, leather wrap steering wheel. You get your voice command mode, call option, decline option, your volume and track. You get a cruise control option over here. Setting the cruise control, setting the speed is your MID toggle option, and this is your selection button, of course. All right, you get a same signature Hyundai steering wheel over here, flat bottom steering wheel, of course, sportier steering wheel. You get paddle shifters as well, because this is the automatic variant that we have in front of us. This is the diesel variant. Okay, so this comes with your sport mode as well, drive and sport plus as well, and you get your auto hold function, electronic parking brake, drive and traction control selection, your ventilated seat functions for both the driver and the co-driver, and your 360-degree camera view as well. So a lot of tech. You can see the 10-inch touchscreen as well. The features are more or less the same, okay, but I unfortunately cannot show it to you. All right, but anyway, let's keep going. You get your 12-watt charging socket over here, your USB A setup. Both are USB A. Okay, this is for charging. This is a USB to connect it to your infotainment system. Okay, this is how the dash looks from here. Let me know what your thoughts are. This is all hard plastic. There's no soft touch in this particular variant. Okay, you get both speakers though. All right, so that's pretty neat. Okay, this is your glove box storage. I think it has a cooling function, but there's no light over here. And you get soft touch for the elbow. This is hard plastic. Door opening now finished in matte silver. This is your window opening and closing function button, and that's your storage. Okay, so storage seems pretty big. Okay, big enough to store at least 2 bottles for sure, and your other knickknacks as well. So practical as well. Okay, you get a sunglass holder over here also. You get I believe it's LED camera lights only, but they're not functioning. Your panoramic sunroof is also here, as you can see, but we can't open it unfortunately. You get your vanity mirror for the co-driver. No vanity mirror, but a ticket holder is present over here. Alright, your AC vents are finished in vertical design, horizontal design, vertical design over there, and you get an airbag placement over here, 2 airbags in the front, of course. And this is your AC functions, knobs and buttons, which is good. This is the rear defog. This is the for the rear. This is for the internal air circulation. This is for your selecting the option where you want the air to blow. This is your front defogger, rear defogger, and this is to switch off the AC. Okay, single zone climate control, no dual zone climate control present in this. Storage on the armrest is decent. Okay, it's not a sliding armrest. All right, and this is the story in the front. So far, you get leather seats only. You don't get semi-leather seats over here. You get leather seat finish, which is a good thing. Unlike the Adventure Edition in the Creta, where you get semi-leather seats, where you get fabric come leather. All right, so these pure leather seats are a good option in my opinion. Okay, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. ORVMs seem big enough to me. This is your auto dimming IRVM with SOS function, breakdown function, and blue link function of that Hyundai uses. For your car connect, you also get a dash cam over here. all right, which is included in this variant. Okay, so that's pretty good. Dash cam in today's world is very important given the idiots that are on the road. Okay, so that's about it, guys. Let's get to the rear. The story of this is the story from the front. Let's get to the rear and explore the comfort and space over there. Entering the rear space. Okay, very easy to enter, no difficulty for a person as tall as me. You get rear sun blinds. Okay, that's pretty good. Very much important for a country like India. You get your light function, LED light, and your grab handle foldable. Same story over here as well. Okay, you this is phone, so let's check this out. A table option. Okay, you can खाना खा सकते हो यार यहाँ पे एयरलाइन वाला फील आएगा. You can store your knickknacks over here. You get your storage option below this. You get Bose speakers over here also, 4 speakers in total, and we will explore the rear, the absolute rear space, the third row as well in a bit. What else do we have? The seat is a little bit reclined at the back. Okay, you get your door opening knobs finished in silver. You get your window opening option, of course. You get your AC vents over here. You get your USB A over here. You get some storage over here. This, I believe, is the air purifier function. Okay, there's a screen over here, and it will tell you the purity of the air inside the vehicle. And you get your armrest. Let's open the armrest, but you don't get any cup holders, guys, which is weird. And you don't get a headrest for the third passenger in the middle, which is another weird thing. Okay, so can't do much about it. You get ISOFIX points as well, and the storage option is over here also, just smaller compared to what we have in the front. You get your door handle storage over here as well, and that's about it, guys, from the second row. This is the headroom, guys. Headroom is pretty decent for a guy as tall as me, and of course sunroof makes it even, और headroom दे देता है sunroof. So yeah, but yeah, that's about it. Your headroom will be comfortable, nothing to worry in terms of that. Oh, for the middle passenger, the hump is there, but it is well contained. Okay, it's not like it's gonna cause a lot of problem. Let's sit over here. But अब जब मैं बैठ के देख रहा हूँ guys, तो problem हो सकता है क्योंकि this is interfering. This thing over here is interfering, which might cramp up the space. Okay, so that's one thing that needs to be worked upon from Hyundai, I believe, because नहीं तो ऐसे बैठना पड़ेगा, which is very uncomfortable. You can't sit like this for long journeys. So 3 people will be fairly comfortable if a person my size is sitting in the middle. Okay, see, seats are comfortable. It's not the seats aren't comfortable, but space थोड़ा मार खा जाएगा. That's about it. Okay, guys, we are entering the rear space. Okay, so this lever is used to fold the seat, and once you fold the top half, the bottom half goes up automatically. We are entering the third row. Okay. So guys, third row is purely made for kids. Purely, ekdam like small kids. Okay, because I can't put the seat down. Okay, given the position that I'm sitting at, I can't put that seat down because it will hurt my it will just not go down. Okay, that's about it. So let's explore the rear third row at least. What do we have here? Cup holder, storage over here, USB A option, AC vent option, and you get a subwoofer at the back. यहाँ से देख लो, subwoofer भी है इसमें. And you get a AC blower function over here also. You can adjust the blower controls over here. You get a USB over here. You get storage over here also. You get seat belt option as well. You get only 2 headrests. Okay, so no third headrest. Anyway, I think this is just it's a useless addition in my opinion, guys. This third row does not make sense to me whatsoever because मैं seat नीचे भी नहीं कर सकता. Okay, it is that cramped. Okay, but anyway, they have offered it, and very small kids will be comfortable. Once they grow up, they will also have to sit over here. So yeah, anyway, this is the story of the third row, guys, and let's exit and conclude the video. Putting the seat down carefully and putting it back up. It's very easy to do that. Very simple, not a very difficult task. Third row, let me show you how it happens. So you press this and it actually automatically goes up. It just lifts up. You just have to push it up for you to enter the third row. Alright, this was the video of the Hyundai Alcazar Signature Edition. Alright, which is basically just another variant. Okay, and some chrome has been blacked out over here, but there's nothing much different. Okay, it's not very different from the car that is already on offer. Okay, it's just a few elements have been blacked out. Okay, you get big door beats and you get the adventure edition badging in this. All right, so but the rear space, the third row is completely cramped. Okay, it's not for adults, it's for very small kids. All right, but anyway, let me know what do you guys think about this vehicle, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe to our viewers. Bye bye.